Don't this look so good, y'all? Check it out. So basically what this is apple pie egg rolls. So I don't know if there's another word for it or another name for it, but that's what I call it. And so as you can see, I just put a little homemade whipped cream on it. And after you watch this video, I'll have a tag at the end so you can learn how to make your own homemade whipped cream to go with it. Now you could put caramel sauce on top of this, or I don't know, like it's up to you what you like on it. So, you know, so stick around and watch how I made it. All right, so making it was actually quite simple. So, first thing I did was I put about a quarter cup of apple filling, apple pie filling, or you can use whatever filling you like better, cherry, blueberry, strawberry. And you line up the top and bottom corners and then pull it down a little bit. Then left side over right side, and then a little bit of water. You could use egg to seal it, but water is sufficient. You flip it over, make sure everything's touching. I kind of redid it real quick before the water had a chance to stick, just to make sure it was tight enough. All right, so here I go again to show you guys one more time. So bottom corner towards yourself, and then a quarter cup of whatever filling you like. All right. And again, you could chop these apples up a little smaller if you like. Just make them, a little smaller. It's up to you. I kind of like big chunks, but everyone has their own preferences, right? All right, so check this out. So I take the bottom corner, take it to the top corner, pull it back slightly, fold the left side over, fold the right side over. All right, a little bit of water, and then roll it over. All right, so then you want to fry it on a medium heat, work well for me. You don't want your oil to get too fast, popping everywhere. And if your oil's too hot, it'll cook the outside before it cooks the inside, and then you'll have a doughy inside. So you want to cook it on medium. All right, so here we go. It's the finished product, perfectly crisp. I put a little whipped cream on there. I was thinking, I wonder what it would be if I took and put some maple syrup in that whipped cream and a dash of cinnamon. I bet that would be really good. I should do a video on that. Let me know what you think in the comments. So, would you try this recipe? Let me know. All right. Well, thank you so much for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share, watch more, tell people about my channel. I am so close, you all, to that magical 1K, 1,000 subscriber mark. I have less than 300 to go. And I would appreciate your help. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for stopping by. Everybody, please stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.